Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you a method that you can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year from the comfort of your home for doing something that's absolutely free, and it will only take you 1 hour a day to do. And if you're persistent with a never giving up attitude, you're going to see some huge spikes and you're going to see some insane amounts of commissions and money coming into your bank account. As you can see down here, one person earning estimated yearly earning £243,000 to £3.9 million every single year. What is he doing? How is he making all this money? He's doing it from home. How long is it taking? It's probably taking him 1 hour to do, and you can do it too. It's very simple and very easy. Let me just show you, okay? So what you need to do, first of all, you need to go to YouTube, okay? And you need to type in something like this on the YouTube search bar. Type in #shorts, and you're going to come up like this, and you're going to see, look at this, 76 million views, 23 million views, 85 million views. Okay, you can see all this. So I just took one of the channels down here and I spotted into the Social Blade account. Okay, so it's called the Sports Nation. Check this out. Okay, estimated monthly earning is about £20,000 to £324,000. It's British pound because I'm based in UK. You could convert that to United States US dollars. Okay, and the yearly estimated earning is £243,000 to £3.9 million. Do you think you can make shorts? You're probably asking, wait, I don't know how to make shorts. I don't know how to make money with shorts. I don't know what to do with shorts. It's very simple. You just need to create a YouTube account, start posting short videos, okay? Here's another channel I just come up with, okay? YouTube Shorts. Look at this person. Estimated yearly earning £173,000 to £2.8 million. This is estimated earning, okay? YouTube normally don't pay a lot of money on shorts. But when those shorts starts to gather up and starts getting millions of views, like for instance, a couple of weeks ago, I saw a channel with like 46 million views in just 30 days. Okay. Now, if you're going to get 46 million views, definitely YouTube's going to pay you some good amount of money. That's going to be more than enough for you to live the dream of your lifestyle. All right. So the question comes, how do I make money like this? Okay, so there's a couple of ways you can do this, so keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can do it the easy way without having to get into trouble. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. I'm here to help you. If you don't know me, I've built a real solid income business online and I've generated over $1 million. I've helped thousands of people go from zero to multiple 4, 5 and 6 figures. If you have any kind of questions or you're struggling with anything on the internet, just leave a comment for me. I reply to every question. My goal is to help another 100,000 people make 5 figures or 6 figures online in the next 1 year. So if you're someone that's really serious about making money online, changing your life, then what is your biggest struggle? Just leave a comment and I will be more than happy to help you out. And if there's a specific topic that you want me to cover on my YouTube channel on how to make money online, let me know and I will record a video teaching you how to do that method and how to make money online. So give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a comment for me. And by the way, if you want to join any of my courses or you want to know how I built a multiple 4, 5 figure business online, then all my links are going to be in my description box below this video. All right, so let's dive into this video. The first method that normally people would teach, which I don't recommend, but I'm going to share it, is they just go here, YouTube, all right? They right click this video, copy link address, all right? And then they will just come to somewhere like download YouTube video, okay? All right, we just come here and then we're just going to paste that link in here and we're going to copy it. This is the method that people are teaching and I don't recommend this method, okay? You don't want to copy someone else's video. You want to use your own unique approach to this. All right. But what I'm sharing is that you can make edits to the same video and start making money with it. So we're just going to download this. All right. Let's download this. Okay. And once it's downloaded, what we're going to do, we're going to use a tool, which is a free tool called Canva. I don't know if you know about Canva. We're going to come here. We're going to go to videos. Okay. And we're going to go to, all right, let's just go to TikTok video, okay, because that's the same frame that we're going to be using down here. All right, and then what we're going to do, we're going to come here, we're going to click on upload the file just right down here. We're going to look for that video. Okay, still video playback. All right, so there you go. We're just going to drag this and make it a bit bigger. All right, now remember, you could do this with TikTok as well. So there you go. This is the video we have. Okay, we just need to edit this video. First of all, what we need to do, we need to add a voice over to this. Okay, we don't want to use the original voice. Now, if you have a paid plan with Canva, you could edit the audio, you could edit the background, remove the background. You could do so many stuff. But with a free version, you're very, very limited to adding different stuff to this. Okay, so the biggest thing that we need to add is a voiceover. So we need to remove the original voice, which is, I guess, is this one here. Okay, so you can see that this person is just sliding. So we're going to add a voice. Now, how do you add a voice? You could add two types of voice. One could be a music, or one could be you're speaking on and just talking about what this person's doing. All right, so there are two ways to add a voice. The first way is you could use a free software called CapCut. Now, if you don't know what CapCut is a free software that is more personalized to editing and uploading and making TikTok reels, TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, etc. And some of the top multiple six-figure earners are using CapCut to create these type of videos, upload it to TikTok and YouTube shorts, and they are crushing it. Okay, so you could use CapCut. Okay, if you're a beginner doing it for the first time, you just need to play around with it. The second tool, which I recommend, where you could add a voice and you're not going to get in trouble for doing that, and it's going to be unique, and even YouTube, TikTok, etc., they all allow it, is a software called 11 Labs. Very, very professional. Okay, 11 Labs is a tool that you can use to add a voice over your video, talk about the person, what he's doing, and then you can just edit the video, remove the background or whatever, add your own background, and then you could do so many stuff by re-uploading this video. Like I said, people are crushing it with YouTube shows. Now, this channel, okay, Sports Nation, £243,000 a year, is all coming from YouTube shorts, not YouTube videos, YouTube shorts. Okay, this same guy as well, this person here, £173,000 a year is all coming from YouTube shorts. So it's only going to take you 1 hour a day to create a short and upload it. Now, this method that I just showed you is a method where you take someone else's video and you just make some edits to it, add your own text, add your own subtitles, add your own captions, do a voiceover, etc. But like I said, I don't recommend it. I recommend you create a unique TikTok video for yourself and start uploading it. Now, how do you do that? Okay, so there's a tool. Okay, if you don't know about this tool, let me just show you. It's a tool called InVideo. I'm going to have the link in my description box below this video. Okay, so when you go to this tool is an AI tool. You just tell this tool what type of video you want, and it's going to go out there and create a video. Now, it's free to join this tool. There's links in the description box below this video. It's free to join this tool, but I recommend you upgrading your account, because when you upgrade your account, you're going to get more features and you're going to be able to add your voice over as well. With this tool, it allows you to record your own voice and then it will add it as well. But that requires an upgraded account. Alright, so let me just show you quickly. create shorts. You can see here, so you just put a topic down here and something like whatever you want to create. Okay, so you just want to put something like create a rapid cut short video for YouTube about etc, and you just want to put something like create a video of a person sliding into water. Make sure it's funny. Make sure it's funny. Wait, let me just do this slide. Make sure it's funny. That's it. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, create a rapid shortcut video for YouTube about creative. Okay, create a rapid. Get rid of that. Okay, generate video. Then it's going to just ask me a couple of questions. What is it going to be for? Is it going to be for YouTube Shorts? Is it going to be for YouTube video? Is it going to be for TikTok, etc.? And then it's going to analyze. And this is a great tool. It's a free tool. You could use it for free. But like I said, if you want to use all the features, I do recommend you upgrading your account. You can join this tool using the links in my description box below this video. It explains everything about how this tool works and how it can help you create this type of video. And there are some amazing tools out there that does the heavy lifting for you, allows you to create these AI TikTok videos and YouTube short videos on completely autopilot. And I'm going to come up with those tools in my future videos and share these tools and tell you the advantages and disadvantages and the pros and cons. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you're the first person to see my videos. So now it's asking me all these questions. Visual style, realistic. We want it realistic. Duration 50 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. We want it 30 second. Platform, YouTube, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. We want YouTube Shorts. And there you go. It's going to come up and it's going to make this video very, very quickly. And then I will show you how this video looks, okay? So the video is ready. Let's check this out, okay? I just showed you one of the videos that was posted on YouTube Shorts that's got over 50 million views, and that channel is making over £250,000 every single year. We told this AI software tool to create a video similar like that. We just gave a bit of prompt to it. It wasn't the exact, but it done the job. Let's just check this out.
Of people love slip and slides because the other 10% are still sliding. Watch as our brave hero takes on the ultimate slip and slide challenge. Will they glide like a dolphin or flop like a fish out of water? Spoiler alert, it's more belly flop than graceful dive. Stay tuned to see the epic splash and the even more epic laughs. Hit that like button if you're sliding into the weekend with us.
Okay, that looks great. That looks great. And I think if this is posted on YouTube, it's going to get millions and millions of views, okay? Now, I could have made it more better doing this if I entered a proper prompt telling the AI software what I exactly need. But this was just for demonstration purposes, just giving you an idea of the power of this software tool. Now, it's free to join. Link in my description box below this video. You can join this for free, and I do recommend upgrading your account because this is very, very powerful. And I recommend, because when you upgrade, you're allowed to create up to 2-3 videos a day according to the minutes that they give you. And then you could also upload it every single day, 2 to 3 times. And that's how you're going to boost your YouTube channel. And you're going to see those views, likes, shares, comments, subscribers, and even those estimated earnings coming into your account. So that's all for now. If you love my video, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. I will see you in the next video.